there.
So today we're rolling out devices for our seniors, getting technology in their hands so that they're able to complete their senior year. And then next week we're going to roll out laptops for 9th graders, 10th graders, and 11th graders to make sure that they can finish out their school year and achieve the best possible outcomes they can for their education.
That laptop has been powered up for you. So what we want you to do is bring it back into the car, drive over to the northwest lot, and log in for the first time on our Wi-Fi, okay? Mr. Hope should be over there to help you if you have any tech issues.
The district came in earlier the last few weeks and wiped everything down and made sure everything was nice and clean, sanitized, and they've just been sitting in classrooms waiting to be distributed and getting them all taken out of those carts, logging in to make sure that the laptops are ready to go. They've all been updated. We were able to sort them all by alphabetical order and get those ready for the students to pick up today. We had about 5 volunteers who came in and helped out with that, to help us get everything organized and ready to go. And today we're just having people pull up, getting their laptops ready to go for them, and they're off. It's good. It's good to see the kids again. You don't know how much you miss them. It's exciting to see kids, exciting to see the smiles on their face, to be able to re-engage with school and finish out their senior year as best they can.